Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a scratch test on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to see how durable the screen of this device. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here we got the knife, coin and a set of keys for this testing purpose. So first of all, let's start with the coin. So you can see that the screen is responding to the strokes here. So the touch screen sensitivity is quite nice. As you can see here, it's pretty good. It is also showing the fact that I'm applying good amount of pressure. Let's have a look on our device now. So turn the screen off. It's looking quite perfect to me. No visible damage, any scratch or anything. If you notice anything, feel free to share it in the comment section below with the exact timestamp. Some dust particles are there. They're not any damage or dent or something. It's just that we got some of the dust particles here that are visible, of course. And with the lights turned on, of course, no scratch is visible. Once again, at this angle you can see it's looking pretty nice. So now let's try with the keys, because usually the keys and coins are what we are carrying in our pockets with our smartphones. So now I'm going to use the set of keys. First, let's start with this one. Let's try another key, this one now. And let's have a look on our smartphone. So once again, the screen is looking quite perfect. No scratch or damage is visible, just some dust particle, I believe. So I just cleaned the surface of the display and you can see those were the dust particles. Everything is looking quite perfect from every angle, and the fingerprint sensor is working fine. Touch screen sensitivity is quite nice, as you can see here. Everything is looking perfect. So no damage so far. So it's time to go a bit brutal with our knife here. So once again, now let's have a look on our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra display. First with the lights off. So once again, it is looking quite nice. No visible damage, no scratches. Once again, some of the dust particles, let me clean it just for the satisfaction. So after cleaning it, you can see all of these are just the dust particles. No scratch or damage to the display so far. If you see anything, please feel free to share it in the comment section. From this angle as well. No damage to my eyes. So let's check the status of our display. So the fingerprint sensor is of course working fine. Touch screen sensitivity is still looking pretty solid. It is working quite nicely in the perfect manner. Everything is looking perfect, as you can see here. So the protection on the display of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is of top notch. Of course, it's pretty solid and it can easily withstand the impact of knife, keys, coins. So you do not need to worry about getting scratches easily on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra display, but it is always better to have a screen protector to avoid any damage to your smartphone display, because at the end of the day, it's just a glass. Doesn't matter how durable it's claimed to be from the manufacturer. If your day is bad at some particular angle, falling on some particular material, the display can still be damaged in a very bad way. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.